What am I doing? I'm short, sorry.
Hey guys, Katerina is here, and I think she's the most nervous client of the day.
Am I?
I think so. We're gonna have some fun with this hair. I'm not giving away what we're doing yet. Don't you guys forget to hit the subscribe button down here, leave a thumbs up, let me know what you think of the cut when we're done. Enjoy, good
Thank
luck
you.
as well, and see you at the end. Studio 211, so a little advertisement for Chris. I'll link his shop down below as well.
These are always scaring me. It's happening. I can see them falling. Okay, let's leave it there.
Long again.
Let's leave it that way.
Yeah, this looks
No.
fun, like a proper mullet now.
Yeah.
So the way back is a little easier. Feel it. Run your hands through the back.
And it's like, where is it? Where's my hair? The floor. You're a magician. You're indeed a magician, because I didn't expect that I would like that.
This is fun. If you take them, and job life beneath my fingers.
On each of your fingers.
No, you won't.
Like here?
Very much so.
Yeah? Oh God. What am I doing? Bye bye. It's short. Wow. It's very nice though. I like it. Didn't expect it.
No?
No. Because I've never been that short. My hair never.
But you expect it took some more getting used to?
Sorry?
Did you expect it took some more getting used to?
Yeah.
It's so
short. So short. Not small.
Like a new person.
It did.
A whole new identity. Just wet it a little. This is enough. We call it like towel dry. Spread it across your hands. And just squeeze it in. Make sure it's everywhere. You can even use it to keep this a little bit out of your face. And you can go out the door like this. No.
Crazy mom.
Yeah, what happened? Yeah, I just got out of bed.
Well, I have a 2-year-old. That's what happened.
See.
Now with my big change.
Yeah, definitely.
I
Ready
really
for
like
the
it
back?
though. No, seriously, I really, really like it. I didn't expect
Usually
that.
I always do it like this.
Drum roll.
There you go.
Ooh, whoa. Yeah, that's really nice.
So it's somewhere in between the bob and the pixie. It's not too short. You can play around with this as well. Like there's a lot of layering going on. Yeah, you can look over there. Well, that's it, guys. We're done. She looks like 23 years old again.
And I am 23 years old.
Thank you for having the trust.
Thank you. Thank you.
This.
Really like it.
It looks
seriously
super nice. It's something different than what I do usually as well, so it's fun for me. Let me know what you guys think of it down here in the comments. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow Chris for lending out his studio, and who knows, I'll see you in the next one. And definitely I'll see you in the next one.